Hello, this is Oleg from OpenBOM, and today I want to preview small but very interesting feature that we are including in Solidworks add-in for OpenBOM. And this is a feature that allows you to expand templates for OpenBOM with the properties that doesn't exist in Solidworks. So why is this important? Is you defining a template, you include properties that you can find inside of your SolidWorks files. But what if you would like to add some properties that are not there, but you want to include them in every single BOM that you create from SolidWorks? So that's the problem that we are solving by this feature. So how it works. When you have your settings for SolidWorks add-in, for OpenBOM, you can create a new template, and let's call it cost BOM. So as we create a cost BOM template, we would like to include properties that you have already in SolidWorks, and I don't want all these properties to be created, but I will pick up the choice and I will delete some of these properties. But now what I would like to include two properties that I know they are not in SolidWorks. I would like to include property which is cost, and I would like to include a property which is supplier name. So as you can see, I can now add those properties to template and I can save it. And then magic will happen, and I will push now a part list of all components from this assembly to OpenBOM. You will see that the resulting bill of materials will include those two properties. It will include cost and it will include supplier name. So few more seconds, you will see the bill of materials is created in OpenBOM, and now you will get a bill of materials that will include those two properties in the bill of materials. So you will get now cost and you will get now supplier name. And with powerful real-time collaboration in OpenBOM, you can now share this BOM with your contractor or supplier, and they can simultaneously edit this BOM and add information about cost and supplier name. So that was Oleg from OpenBOM with a new template feature in OpenBOM plugin for SolidWorks. Thank you very much and have a great day.